Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. I just said to make this quick short video just to inspire somebody that this is what you can do when you trade synthetic indices, volatilities, boom and crash, step index and stuff like that. It's me just flipping this 37 cents account into more than $6. At one point it was actually $7. If you trade on deriv, you can tell that this is a real account. If it was a demo, there would be a green band there. Not that it matters, if it works on demo, then it works on real. But anyway, this is just me to just show somebody out there that you can do this, just to inspire you. I'm not trying to brag or anything like that. I just want to motivate somebody there. Start with what you have. If you're looking to download Forex robots, indicators, books and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs.